Is up, YouTube? I am finally back active. It's been a while. It's been a really long time since I last posted, but I have not forgot about my YouTube community, my subscribers. I appreciate you all. It's time to get back active. Had to take care of a lot of things outside of trading, such as other businesses, but it's good to finally be back on YouTube. So without further ado, I got nice little quick announcements for you guys, such as I'll be starting my Learn and Earn group chat where I help people get funded with FTMO and other prop firms, as well as I'm offering my course. My course comes along with the Learn and Earn strategies, signals, weekly webinars, class sessions, all of the above. All right. So that link will be in the description below. So definitely you could check that out. I'm gonna be posting a series on flip accounts, such as the flip account that I plan on doing right now. It's taking $100 to 100K. So that's gonna be my main priority right there. Just trying to take that $100 to 100K. Anything is possible, and I'm gonna prove that to you guys. You do not need a lot of money to make money. Trust me. So I'm back and we're active and we're gonna really take this thing over to the next level where I just provide a lot of free knowledge for you guys and drop a lot of gems for you guys. All right. So far, I'm gonna go over this weekly outlook of the market. So my quick analysis for what I expect this week to happen. So starting with the DXY, if you look here, DXY broke structure. Could even drop down to the lower time frames. So let me get my tool. All right. So if you look here, you see that we had a low. This low got taken out, which caused a break of structure. Now we're getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I'm expecting DXY to continue tanking, especially after this war going on between Palestine and Israel. It's crazy. The world is upside down right now, but that I believe will cause dollar to come crashing down. So you could expect dollar to continue crashing down, which would cause pairs like USD CAD to go up, and pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, gold to really skyrocket up. So you'll see. So moving on from that, looking at USD CAD. Look at USD CAD here. So USD CAD, yes, if you said this is a head and shoulders, you are correct. So this is a head and shoulders pattern. So for USD CAD, I'm looking for shorts, especially since dollar is showing signs that it wants to tank. If you look here, look how we have a head and shoulders. It already formed the pattern and already started taking. So I'm looking for the retest of the neckline around here to potentially sell. So this will be a nice little entry here. If you were to get in around this area, your stop loss could go just above here. You could catch this little swing trade all the way to here, potentially, but I have it going potentially lower also. But my first target will be here. If I were to sell this, my first target would be, let me just show you. So hypothetically, once USD CAD comes up here and it shows signs that it wants to sell, we're looking at a 30 pip. So potentially catching 190 pips, 6R. So yeah, this is definitely what I'm looking for. This will be a nice ideal setup. So keep that on your watch list. Moving forward to my favorite pair, my favorite and most hated pair, gold. It's a love-hate relationship, but gold does pay the bills. So looking at gold, gold right here. So gold just been tanking. Let me go to the daily time frame real quick. So look how gold has been tanking all the way down. So the market can't just go in one direction forever. If that was the case, we will all be millionaires. The market can't just go in one direction. It has to do a pullback. The market has to do a pullback. It can't just go down, 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 or else all we would do is just sell. So with that being said, I'm expecting gold to buy up to here and retest this strong support area. The strong support area that it recently broke. So notice how gold just tanked, but never came back up to retest these areas. So I'm expecting gold to retest this support area that turned resistance. And notice how it aligns with my 0.618 fib key entry. So I'm looking for this to continue buying up. And then once it's around this area, I'm looking for sales, long-term sales. But we can scale in for buys, which I did here. So here I scaled in for my first trade on the $100 account. I believe I'm up like $100 or a little over that. So I'm up 100 currently, but I'm hoping that this continues to go up. But yeah, so we could scale into this trade because I'm expecting something like this. Notice how we had a resistance area. I'm expecting the market to kind of retrace back down on the lower time frames and eventually buy up to here. So if we get another retracement here, I'll add an entry, another entry to potentially buy this up. And notice how we had a support area, market through a wick below the support to throw people off, through a W formation and bought up. So I believe this will fill this candle here. It will pull back down to buy up. So keep an eye out for gold for more buys. So I'm buy bias on gold until we get up to this area here, my fib area. All right, moving on to silver, which is pretty much the same thing as gold, if not exactly. So look here, notice how just like gold, we had a strong support area and silver decided to break that. And now it looks like it wants to pull back up, retest, potentially sell from there. So this is what I'm looking for silver. Unfortunately, I missed out on the buys, but however, just like gold, if we look on a 4-hour time frame, we could expect to get some type of retracement. Whenever the market breaks an area, such as let's say we have a resistance area. Whenever the market breaks these types of area, 9 times out of 10, you will get a retracement here to potentially buy up. All right. And vice versa for looking for sales. So this is one of the key things I look for when taking a trade. I look for an area that has been broken, and I wait for the retest. So this pattern happens damn near all the time. So this is an easy setup that you could spot easily. It's all about the training your eyes, putting time in on the chart so you can catch these types of setups. So to reiterate, I'm planning on buying silver once it retraces here. So we'll see. SPX. So SPX, I'm gonna buy bias as well. Notice how we broke this trend. Market was trending downwards in a downward direction, making lower highs and lower lows. And now look, we broke above this previous high here. I'm looking to do a retracement around this area to buy up. So definitely notice how the trend is changing. US 30 is pretty much the exact same. So whenever you get a breakup structure, I could almost guarantee you that the market will reverse. So if you were going down and you get this type of structure here where the market breaks above the previous lower high, you could expect a retracement to continue buying up. This pattern happens almost all the time. So notice how we're making lower highs, right? Lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, market breaks above. Expect this to retrace to buy up. So I'm looking for buys on gold, US 30, SPX 500. What else? Silver. I'm looking for sales on USD CAD. So these are what I'm looking at currently. Towards the middle of the week, there'll be other opportunities for different pairs, but this is essentially what I'm looking at for this week. I hope you all are able to capitalize on this. In my Learn and Earn group chat, I will send every single trade that I take this upcoming week, so stay tuned for that. If you're not in the Learn and Earn, definitely get involved, because we're really going to take over this towards the end of this year and going into next year. We're really going to take over the markets, and because it seems like the market's throwing good setups, so we're going to capitalize on those setups each and every time. So definitely, if you're not in Learn and Earn, please join that, because we're going all the way. Also stay tuned on YouTube for the $100 to 100K series. I'm excited for that. If I could do it, that'll just motivate you guys to do it, because trading, it's all a mental game. I say trading is literally, I'll say about 10% skills, 90% mental. As you can have all the skills in the world, if your psychology isn't there, you won't succeed in trading. So you guys will see that, and I'll drop more gems. So stay tuned. We're active. We're back. Looking forward to it. If you got any questions, just hit me up on IG or just drop a comment below. I'm ready. Let's go. We're going to the top.